Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two amazing drones on the table that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial moments. In this corner, we have the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone, and in the other corner, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing breathtaking aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The Bwine F7 is equipped with a one-click detachable 4K video camera with a 120° FOV lens and a larger comms sensor. This setup ensures that you get the ultimate aerial photography experience, especially when recording unforgettable night scenes. Additionally, the F7 drone has a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom, providing stability and convenience when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE also delivers impressive imaging capabilities. With just a few taps on the DJI Fly app, you can capture epic footage and generate professional-level videos. The drone is equipped with advanced shooting templates that allow it to automatically fly, record, and create stunning content. Now let's talk about flight time. The Bwine F7 comes with 3 intelligent batteries, each offering a capacity of 2,600 mAh. With this setup, you can enjoy a total flight time of 75 minutes per trip. Just imagine the aerial adventures you can embark on without worrying about running out of battery. It's worth noting that the F7 drone requires a 5V 3A or 5V 2A charger for optimal charging. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge. But here's the deal. If you opt for the combo package, you'll get 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, bringing the total flight time to a whopping 93 minutes. This means more time to explore, create, and capture stunning aerial footage. Wind resistance is an important factor to consider, especially if you plan on flying your drone in varying weather conditions. The Bwine F7 impresses with its built-in 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, and barometer. It has undergone a 6-level wind resistance test, allowing you to fly confidently even on windy days or high altitudes. With the F7, you can capture ultra-clear and stable videos and pictures from a high-altitude first-person perspective. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE boasts reliable stability even in winds up to 38 km/h, level 5. This means you can fly and capture content more reliably in a wider range of places. Let's talk about GPS capabilities. The Bwine F7 features smart GPS technology that ensures you never lose your drone. It will automatically return home when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with a simple one-key return function. Additionally, the F7 can fly following you along a preset path or in circles around a specific point. This gives you the freedom to focus on capturing stunning footage while the drone takes care of the flying. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE also offers a return-to-home function for added safety and peace of mind. It's beginner-friendly, making it easy to learn and master quickly. Plus, with its lightweight and portable design weighing less than 249 grams, it's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is praised for its ultimate camera quality and long-lasting flight time, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is highly regarded for its professional imaging capabilities and extended flight time. Both drones offer stable wind resistance and smart GPS capabilities. The final decision ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. There you have it, folks. We've compared the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE in various categories. Both drones offer impressive features and capabilities, but the final decision ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Be sure to check the links in the description below to find more information on these drones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.